From the company MistyJungle, we unpacked the product. Comes nicely packaged and wrapped. You have an instruction parts list of what the product looks like. It's a plant stand with lights, not just for plants. You have a parts list and steps on how to build. So what we're going to do is assemble the unit step by step and show you what it looks like with items on. On the table we got 3, 2, C, and E. We need 4 screws of C. The numbers simply peel off by removing. You're going to place on number 2 to number 3 with the screw bolt slid in. With the Allen key, you're going to now place in and over the nut hole and start to lock in. You're going to repeat for the other side as well and secure down. With parts 1, G, and D, 4 washers. You're going to take the board, place on top, take a washer and the caster, slide through, feel for the hole, and start to tighten down. All 4 wheels have a locking mechanism. Put them on like so, once again, and repeat for the other. Remember to peel the stickers off as you go. This setup is for casters. If you do not want to use the casters, remove the casters by spinning off of the 4 C's. Place on and into the hole. With the Allen key, start to tighten down. Embed it into the wood. Take H, 4 of the cushion insulations, peel off and over the hole, like so. With A, C, E, 7, 9, and 6, we're going to be assembling parts. We're going to remove the sticker 9 off, place over the holes with 2 of the A's into the hole area and start to lock down each of the bolts. With the long pole, lock down as well. With the main base built, turn around and upside down to the right side up. With part number 7, you're going to match up the holes. So you're going to take 2 of the bolts of C. You're going to place into the back hole and lock down. Remember to peel the stickers off as you go. With the remaining 2 C bolts, you're going to take the short and the long and correctly place them on the way they go. Long on my left, short on my right, and lock down with the C bolt. With A, B, E, and F and number 4. Peel the sticker off. The 2 holes, a hole on each side. They go over here in between. And make sure the holes go in correctly. If incorrectly, remove and turn over the shelf and try again. with parts 8, A, E, and 9. We're going to assemble the remaining 3 shells in the top bar. We're going to take screw A. We're going to turn the bar upside down, place on one shelf, lock the screw down. While holding the top bar, align the next shelf like so. Lay the shelf down, place the screw on, and secure it down. Your last step is taking the bar, placing into the hole with 2 of the bolts, A and E, and lock down. Your plant stand is hooked up with option A or B, whale casters and no whale casters. And the last step is hooking up the lighting system. Unwrap the lighting system and place underneath like so. So the wires can be draped like so. The self-adhesive, remove, peel off the backing, adhere to the back, and place underneath like so. Center the best you can. With the tie wrap, lock down. As you line up, tie wrap, and secure. We're all wired up with the plant light to the shells. We have a brick that you could plug into the AC or use a power bank and plug in. We have a blue light that we simply hit the button for on. All the lights are on. All the lights go off. On the button above, it's a change to a timer. Each ones would go for a specific amount of time. And the one above cycles through light off, one light on, or all lights on. We have a plus and negative that we can increase and decrease the brightness levels of the plant light. As you can see, it's decreasing and increasing to the maximum amount of light. We have the plant stand all decorated up, and the highest shelf here measures about 64 inches. In the width of the shelves, it measures about 24 inches across. You have the first shelf at 12 inches. From the leading edge, it measures at 11 inches, and the opposite end, it measures at 17 inches, in the center giving you a 5-inch clearance. Then the shelf above measures 6 inches on one side, and measures 11 inches on the other side. And then the leading shelf measures the height of up to 18 inches, and across measures 22 inches, and then across over here measures at 18 inches. You have the option to have whales, casters, or flat on the floor, your option. You have the option to have a low shelf and add the bars on later. You can put up to 6-inch diameter plants on an 8-inch diameter area. The unit is a full capacity weight of 8 kilograms of 17.8 pounds in capacity. You can put medium-sized, small-sized plants on the plant stands and other objects down below. This is a plant stand for a corner in the house with low light, by the window, in the day room, indoor and outdoor. It's movable around. I hope you enjoy your plant stand. Easy to build, portable, tall, and decorative. Thank you for viewing.